Look who's here. You actually don't know her, but it's Sarah, who is a fan of mine. She was like, Yura, I want to be in your makeup tutorial. So here she is. Woo! Sarah doesn't wear a lot of makeup. Usually red lipstick with a bit of mascara. She found her thing. So that's her thing. Because she doesn't like makeup that much. I mean, she used to before when she was younger, right?
Right.
Okay. So now that she grew up, she doesn't have time because she needs to read books. Therefore, we're doing makeup with 5 different makeup products. So this is all you need. Pam, pam, pam. 10-minute makeup and you're out. I'm using Zao's makeup. I told you about it. Natural, bunny-friendly cosmetics. Look at this. Just taking off the shine. Give this girl some light on the center of the face. And this is what I was talking about. Triangle of light. Because this is where the cheeks are red. Usually they're not red here. It's just this part. You get spots here as well. And the pores are bigger. Use your hands, girls. That's why you have them. You know. No need for a brush. And then when you blend it, blend, then you tap it. Tap, tap, tap. And where you have pores, you actually like tap and drag slightly up. This is how you'll put makeup in the pores. The whole idea of makeup is actually that I'll be using this makeup palette because it has all the colors I need. Going over the whole eyelid with a lighter color. Because she has deep set eyes, this will make them stand out, so they will appear closer. Just on the outer corner to give them definition, and I'll apply it as an eyeliner, so smoked up eyeliner. The lower part as well here, if you want to have your eyes more defined, otherwise you don't need to do it. And then you blend it from the outer corner all the way inside. The more defined you want the look to be, the more you pull the eyeshadow on the inner part. For the brows, I could use this one, but this will just fill them in. Look here. Where the eyebrows are sparse. So I'll define them by smoking up this color on the outer corner, because I don't want to make them heavy by applying it here. Look at this, same color as on the brows, I'll put here on the forehead, so this will work as a contour. Pam, 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 putting it in the hairline. And then look on the cheeks, just go down towards her, let me see, between her nose and her mouth. So boom, here. And this is the contour. I chose, what is it? Yves Saint Laurent Baby Doll Kiss and Blush number 4. Pow pow. And here as well, this will take the redness out of her skin, and then we'll go over the lips, because kiss and blush means you can put it on the cheeks, you can put it on the lips, and this is what happens. This stuff is so pigmented, so pigmented for her pale skin. So like, I'll do it like this. There goes on my hand, you know. Kiss and blush on the lips. Yeah, look at this summer color. You don't need to be precise with this stuff, because it's meant for you to be messy. See? Boom, just giving color to the lips. Makeup product number 5. Woo! Eyelashes. Look up, please. So first I start with the lower ones that I don't make a mess, and then we'll go on the upper. This is it, girls, for today. But Sarah usually wears darker lipsticks, so she's like, oh, this is not my color. Whereas I'm like, I like this color. But what we want to know is what you think. Therefore, we chose this lovely brown, so more nude lipstick for Sarah, that she tries something new as well. She'll apply it now, and then you tell us which lipstick you like better. See ya. Ciao, ciao.